Good news for Ryobi fans, because your favorite brand has just dropped a bunch of fresh new tools, and they're all about making your work smoother, smarter, and more budget-friendly. No matter you're into landscaping, woodworking, detailing, or just tinkering in the garage, this new tool lineup's got something cool for you. So, let's check out what Ryobi has rolled out this time. Let's kick things off with a tool that makes hedge trimming way less messy, the Ryobi Hedge Debris Collector. If you're tired of trimming your hedges and then spending more time cleaning up than actually cutting, this little add-on is going to change your routine. It's designed to fit all Ryobi hedge trimmers that come with Hedge Sweep and works with blade sizes between 18 to 26 inches. As you trim, it collects the clippings in a large 5-gallon bag, so you're not left with piles of leaves all over the ground. And once you're done, just flip the bag inside out to empty it. Simple, quick, and saves you the trouble of sweeping up the mess afterward. For anyone who's serious about yard work, this is a must-have accessory. Now, if you've ever wished for a personal cooling system on those scorching days, Ryobi has you covered with the USB Lithium Misting Fan Kit. This compact little fan uses atomization disc technology to spray a fine mist that can make you feel up to 10 degrees cooler. And the best part, it keeps you dry while doing it. The onboard water tank holds 2 ounces, which gives you around 90 minutes of misting time per fill. Along with that, the fan runs up to 7 hours on a single charge. It clamps onto chairs, tables, or even a stroller with a 1 1/4 inch grip, and you can rotate the head to aim the airflow exactly where you want it. You get 2 fan speeds, and the included USB Lithium 2 amp-hour battery even doubles as a power bank with a USB-C port for charging your phone. Plus, the LED fuel gauge and battery indicators keep you in the know, so you're never caught off guard. This is a great pick for camping, sports events, or even just relaxing in the backyard. Next, let's talk about a tool that's going to make finish work much smoother, the Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus HP Brushless 16-gauge straight finish nailer. This nailer runs on OnePlus HP technology, which means it delivers more power and speed while using less energy. It drives nails up to 20% faster than the older P326 model and can sink as many as 1,800 nails on a single charge when paired with a high-performance battery. The airstrike technology means no compressor, no hose, no gas cartridges, just grab it and go. It also comes with an AccuDrive nose for better visibility and accuracy even when you're working in tight spaces. You get tool-free adjustments for nail depth, an LED work light, and a jam release latch to clear blockages without slowing down your workflow. Whether you're installing trim, baseboards, or casing, this nailer gives you both speed and precision in a lightweight, cordless setup. Coming up next is a tool that can do a little bit of everything, the Ryobi OnePlus HP Brushless Oscillating Multitool. This thing is built for power and speed, giving you up to 80% faster cutting and over twice the number of cuts per charge compared to older models. It has a wide oscillation angle of 3.8 degrees and a variable speed dial that lets you go from 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. That gives you the control to work on everything from wood and drywall to metal and tile. There's also a lock-on button to reduce hand fatigue during longer tasks, and an LED light helps you see clearly in dim spaces. You can use it as a detail sander with the included pad or pop on the grout blade for tile work. And changing accessories is a breeze with the tool-free system. If you're after versatility in a single tool, this is definitely one to check out. If you've got pets, kids, or just a lot of foot traffic, Ryobi's new SWIFTClean carpet washer might become your new favorite tool. This cordless carpet cleaner delivers the cleaning power of a corded model without the hassle of wires. Thanks to SWIFTClean technology, it lifts embedded dirt and stains with ease. What really makes it convenient is the motion sense technology. Just push forward to wash and pull back to dry. There's even a spot mode for deep cleaning stubborn stains and a dry-only mode for quick drying when you're in a hurry. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and comes with interchangeable brush rolls. Use the gentle clean roll for everyday messes or swap in the deep clean roll when the job calls for more muscle. It's simple, cordless, and brings carpet cleaning into your regular routine instead of being a once-in-a-while chore. For anyone who loves their car looking spotless, the Ryobi 1.8 gallons per minute Automotive high-flow pressure washer is a dream tool. This thing is made for serious car cleaning, with a higher water flow that gives you a deeper clean than most models out there. The stubby trigger handle is shorter than usual, which makes it easier to use one-handed and reduces vibration while working. It also lets you get closer to the vehicle for better accuracy. You get 3 automotive-grade nozzles, 15° for tough spots, 25° for general cleaning, and 40° for gentle rinsing. They connect directly to the handle and come with protective overmold for durability. There's also a foamer attachment that sprays thick soap for tackling dirt and grime. And with a 40-foot hose, you won't need to drag the pressure washer around every few minutes. For auto pros or weekend warriors, this is a solid upgrade. If reaching high hedges has ever been a pain, Ryobi's 18-volt OnePlus pole hedge trimmer starter kit is here to make it easier. It delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute for smooth cutting power. The included 18-inch blade slices through branches up to 5/8 of an inch thick, and the extension pole helps you reach up to 9 feet, no ladder needed. The 4-position pivoting head lets you trim at different angles without straining your arms, and the dual-action blades reduce vibration to keep things comfortable. You get up to 33 minutes of runtime with the included 2 amp-hour battery, which is plenty for most yard jobs. Lightweight and easy to handle, this is perfect for trimming tall hedges, bushes, and shrubs around the yard. Whether you're working under a car or fixing something around the garage, the Ryobi dual-function lighted creeper and seat has you covered. It easily flips between a rolling seat and a low-profile creeper with just one adjustment. You get 2 built-in LED lights that pump out up to 800 lumens, enough to light up dark corners under your car or in the garage. The lights offer both flood and spot beam modes, so you can choose the kind of light you need. The headrest adjusts to 5 different positions for comfort, and the chemical-resistant cushions can handle grease and grime. It rolls smoothly on heavy-duty 3-inch casters, and there's even storage space on board to keep your small tools and parts within reach. If you're spending time under the hood, this is a real backsaver. Next up is something for the shop or job site, the Ryobi Speedbench mobile workstation. This is a 2-in-1 unit that transforms from a rolling cart to a sturdy workbench and back in one smooth motion. As a workbench, it gives you a 42 by 22-inch wood surface that can handle up to 400 pounds. There are protractor and ruler markings printed right onto the surface, and you can clamp tools on all 4 sides. Mount a miter saw or bring your own setup, it's ready. When you're done, flip it into cart mode and roll away with up to 300 pounds of gear thanks to the solid steel frame and heavy-duty skid plate. It even comes with link rails and organizers to keep your accessories in place. With 10-inch all-terrain wheels, this one moves smoothly across any job site. Last but definitely not least, we've got the brightest Ryobi light yet, the 18-volt OnePlus 360° LED light. It packs a powerful 3,800 lumens and lights up an entire room with its 4 adjustable panels. You get 4 brightness modes, including high, medium, low, and single panel. Whether you hang it up, mount it to 2x material, or just place it on the ground, this light is versatile. The handle makes it easy to carry around, and with a 6 amp-hour battery, it can run up to 15 hours on the lowest setting. Perfect for job sites, garages, or emergencies, it keeps the light on when you need it most.
Here's another small but efficient tool that comes on our list, the Ryobi RTS 18C0 Brushless Tile Saw. This saw might look like it was made to do some light cutting, but it comes with enough power that will let you take on any demanding tile cutting project. This handheld cordless tool is made for versatility and precision. Capable of wet or dry cutting, it delivers impressive speeds of up to 10,800 revolutions per minute, allowing it to effortlessly cut through ceramic tile, masonry, glass, and natural stone. This tile saw features a 127mm diamond cutting disc for durability and a water tank for efficient wet cutting. Meanwhile, it also comes with a parallel guide that stands for the most accurate cuts possible. Additionally, it includes onboard wrench storage for quick and convenient blade changes, so that you can face off any tiling project. Sick of scrubbing away at stubborn dirt by hand? The Ryobi USB Lithium telescoping power scrubber is here to make cleaning a total breeze. Its handle extends from 3 to 5 feet, so you can hit high spots like siding or low ones like baseboards without bending or stretching. The USB lithium battery powers a 210 RPM motor, paired with a 6-inch pad that blasts through grime on tiles, grout, or outdoor furniture. The waterproof IPX7 design handles wet messes, and the tool-free pad replacement keeps things simple. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's super portable, and the USB-C charging means you can power up anywhere. From patio furniture to bathroom walls, this scrubber turns tough cleaning jobs into quick, effortless win. Got leaves or dirt mucking up your pool or hot tub? The all-new, super cool pool vacuum is here to make cleanup a cinch. This cordless vacuum uses a waterproof battery to power a strong suction motor, pulling debris like sand or small leaves into its easy clean filter. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's a breeze to maneuver underwater. And the included floor head tackles pools up to 6 feet deep. It runs up to 30 minutes on a 2.0A battery, perfect for quick maintenance of small pools or spas. The tool-free filter system makes emptying a snap. Keep your water crystal clear without the hassle. This vacuum's a pool owner's dream.
So, these are some of the coolest new Ryobi tools announced recently. Let us know which tool caught your eye in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new tool update. See you in the next one.